today, seeing cycle. We're at a red light. Imagine that. I'm not going to talk to you while we're at a red light. I just refused to. Of course I just did, didn't I? All right, where was... Oh, come on. Another red. I'll race you to the other side of the intersection. Making the best of a red light, aren't we? The last time I saw Seeing Cycle was at his wedding a few weeks ago at Solvang. You guys saw that video. Today we have somewhere really fun to take you to. We'll pull over here in a little bit and we'll tell you all about it, man. This place is going to be good. You're going to like it. Seeing Cycle wanted to see Bob, but I've been a little too friendly to Bob lately. Seen him so many times in the last couple of weeks. We all have friends like that. You just get sick of after a little while. Yeah, Bob's that friend. Dude just talks too much, you know? Pull over up here and a little conversation. All right, Mr. Seeing Cycle.
What's up, dude? Long time no see. It's the last time we saw each other.
It was at your wedding.
It was.
Beautiful wedding. So where are we going today?
We're going to go to a place called Friscos in the City of Industry.
Yeah, we've been talking about this place for a long time. Years.
Yeah, they have like, apparently they're known for their pizza, pretty good burgers, and then they have milkshakes that look like they came straight out of an anime. Oh, girls on roller skates too.
I want to see some hotties skating around, dropping burgers, spilling drinks.
I don't know, the day shift, we'll see.
Might be B team.
It might be.
Well, anyway, good to see you.
Good to see you.
I'm starving, man. So what, we got about an hour and a half ride?
Let's do it. Oh.
I remember my first time. I was thinking about this, man. Met a lot of cool people from motovlogs and motorcycling. Like all my best friends at the moment. It's a fun community. Fun community. Baker X Derek, R.S.M. Good times, man. I love doing this. All walks of life, too. All walks of life. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Friscos Carhop. Friscos Carhop's a 50s style diner, opened in 1982 by husband and wife team, Tarkus and Joanna. I'd say their last name, but I don't want to butcher it. The first location was opened up in Downey. Since then, 5 more locations opened up, and as far as I can tell, all the others have closed except for the City of Industry location, which is the one that we're going to today. And that one was opened in 1990. And I believe that's their flagship location. Things to expect out of this video? Hopefully hot chicks roller skating around delivering us food. And shakes. Food-wise, being a diner, you know getting a burger is going to be a safe bet. But I've also went through a lot of their reviews and I discovered their pizza is amazing. I don't know what makes their pizza amazing, but it's one of the things that I'm going to get. So I think what we'll probably end up doing, getting a burger and a pizza, some shakes, and going that route. You know, I was talking about motorcycling and friends and stuff. I'm curious, how many of you guys currently have met some of your best friends ever through riding motorcycles? How has motorcycling impacted your life in a positive way? Seriously, I'm curious. Whoa. Let's not just talk about sunshine and flowers. Maybe motorcycling's impacted your life negatively. If so, I'd like to hear that story too, man. I have a feeling there's a bug on my GoPro. I just had a gut feeling there's a bug on my GoPro. I won't know until I'm editing this video. It's always kind of interesting to see if I was right or wrong. Think about the consequences if I don't wipe it off. Dude, this whole video could be a waste. That's happened before. When I was just getting this channel going, we went all the way down to the Dofo winery. It was a long ass day. Right away I pegged a butterfly or a bug or something, and footage was just garbage after that. I was devastated. Devastated. Stop and smell the flowers. A taxi Prius. It's their only use, man. I do approve. The only Priuses you should see on the road should be taxis. Big, bright, and yellow, man, just so we all know where they are. That scared the hell out of me. Out of my way, Priuses, both of y'all's. a stupid car. Take it easy, van. It's a van Prius. You think driving an armored truck would be a stressful job? I think it might be. You have to consider, anyone that sees an armored truck just assumes there's millions of dollars in it. And we're all hatching plans in our brains how to rob it. Any armored truck drivers watch these videos? Let me know, man. Weigh in. I'm curious. Remember the movie Heat? That was a good movie, man. The armored truck robbery scene, legit, might be my favorite movie scene in all the movies I've ever seen. Oh shit, RC51, man. It's a rare bike these days. A lot of people have asked me over the years, you know, how many crashes I've had. Well, I bet in my whole life I've totaled no less than 5 street bikes and crashed, I don't even know, 30 times, 40 times. I haven't wrecked in a long time, but that day's coming, I'm sure. Hopefully not today. Or hopefully not at all. What am I talking about? GSXR wise, I've wrecked a few. I've had this one for 11 years and it's been wrecked a lot, but thankfully nothing that's put a nail in its coffin. I blew up a lot of Suzukis. No, I guess I haven't. I blew up 2. The bikes I've wrecked the most were Hondas. I wrecked a bunch of 900 RRs, a couple 929s, threw up a 954 once real bad. I shouldn't be talking about wrecking or destroying bikes. This one's been great. 70,000 miles, original motor, original clutch. Imagine that, huh? It's a good one. I like this. From a little green to legendary. Oh yeah, Friscos. This is exactly what I expected.
This is it. It smells good.
Let's eat now. Alright dude, so Frisco's, we made it. So you got the bacon avocado burger, which was highly recommended, and I got a gyro, which was also recommended. What did you think of yours?
The food was good. I thought the food was great. The onion ring was good. The burger was good, very filling. The Oreo shake was also very, very good.
Yeah, let's not forget about the shake.
Thanks, I will say that.
Out of all the burgers you've had in your life, top 10, top 5?
It's probably in the middle somewhere, but it was good. I mean, I've eaten a lot of hamburgers.
Gyro's good. They always taste the same. No matter where you go, they always taste the same, unless you go to Arby's. I kind of don't like the Arby's gyros. I liked everything we got, to be honest. Everything was good. Yep. About $48 without tip?
Yeah, it's kind of a lot for diner food. I thought it was a little pricey. You add tip on top of that, you're looking at like $56, $7.
Yeah.
That's kind of a lot.
So everything that you guys saw on the table and everything we ingested, yes, about $50. The other end of it, girls on roller skates. That was a plus.
It was a plus.
They're supposed to do like this little dance and they're like, no.
The audio system wasn't working. I'm calling BS on that.
Would you come back?
If I was in the area, I would do it again, but I'm not going to go out of my way, I don't think.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to end the video yet, but we are going to part ways down the road here, so good riding with you as always.
Always good riding with you.
Make sure you check out his channel if you aren't already. He's got some good stuff, man. Good stuff. I don't know why I'm so tough on this motor. It's got a lot of miles to be pulling shit like that. Oh, one of them new Jeeps. That's cool. Think a bike would fit in the back of that? Friscos Carhop. Anyone watching this video been there? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. They don't have pizza anymore. I guess they stopped serving it like 2 years ago. Now what are you gonna do? Take it easy, lady. I don't even know if that was a lady. I just assumed it was. Fun day as usual. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know I enjoyed making it. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I love you. If you like this video, hit that like button. Leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my check-in channel, Extra Delinquent. It's all dirt bike stuff over there. We have a good time. Lots of dysfunction and wrecks. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Let's not forget, support the channel partners, Voss Helmets, the law offices of Henry Haddad, LUIMOTO, and Chaparral. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. I would appreciate it, and I know they would too. I'll catch you guys next time. Later. I want to remind you guys, AIM Expo is coming up in Columbus, Ohio in September, where the club and I will be reunited. We're doing a meet and greet and a ride. Hope to see you guys there. Columbus, Ohio, here we come.